Welcome to Talking Tradesmen. Today we are going to discuss when to call a plumber for a clogged drain. Recognizing the right time to call a plumber for a clogged drain is crucial, as DIY solutions may not always be effective. This article provides guidance on identifying when professional help is needed and outlines the necessary steps to ensure the job is done correctly. What causes a clogged drain? A clogged drain happens when objects, material, or buildup in a drain pipe becomes stuck, preventing water from flowing. This can be caused by a variety of things, ranging from hair and soap residue to small toys or food scraps that are accidentally washed down the sink. Before you call a plumber. Before contacting a plumber, assess if you can handle the clogged drain yourself by identifying the cause, checking for obstructions, assessing water flow restrictions, and examining the pipes for visible damage or cracks. Some tips for clearing clogged drain. Use a plunger to dislodge small blockages. Pour baking soda and vinegar down the drain and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before flushing with hot water. If possible, try using a cable auger or snake to remove any blockages from further down in the drain line. Benefits of calling a plumber. Time saving. Hiring a professional plumber saves time and effort as they come equipped with the necessary tools and expertise to quickly and efficiently resolve the clogged drain, eliminating the need for researching and purchasing cleaning supplies and tools. Safety. Professional plumbers have the knowledge and training to handle potential hazards and protect against risks such as gas leaks or mold, ensuring the safety of you, your family, and your pets. Long-term results when you call a plumber. Professional plumbing services offer long-term solutions to clogged drains by identifying and addressing the root cause effectively. With their expertise, they can detect and resolve issues efficiently, preventing potential problems and saving you from costly repairs in the future. Signs it's time to call a plumber. Gurgling drains. Professional plumbers possess the necessary tools and expertise to address deep-seated blockages causing water backup and gurgling noises in the pipes, ensuring effective removal of the obstruction. Multiple clogs. When multiple drains are simultaneously clogged, it is advisable to seek the assistance of a plumber as it suggests a potential problem further down the plumbing system that requires professional attention. Backflow. If water begins bubbling up from any of your drains, it signifies a blockage in the main line, necessitating the prompt intervention of a plumber to identify and resolve the issue. Emergency drain cleaning services. In cases of immediate assistance for a clogged drain, emergency drain cleaning services offer quick and efficient solutions using specialized equipment and techniques, including water jetting, drain snaking, and camera inspection for hidden issues. Common causes for emergency plumbing services. Tree roots pushing their way into your sewer lines. Corrosion of pipes over time. Sudden changes in water pressure. Heavy-duty objects that have been flushed down the toilet or sink. Grease and fat buildup in the pipes from dishes and cooking materials. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Please check out TalkingTradesmen.com for more trade talk. Have a great rest of your day.